Hi and hello there, Pisces! Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, mayroon pa tayo dito na other channel, link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga na tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody ay welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, Pisces, we're gonna take a look at your past life right in here. Sino ka ba ng past life mo? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Okay? At meron din itong connection sa kung sino ka ngayon. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates, alright? So, cross-watchers ni Pisces or may Piscean placements sa natal/birth chart, welcome ka rin, babe. So, let's go ahead and check these messages. Maraming salamat, Archangel Michael, Angel Guides, para sa palagiang presence mo sa reading ni Pisces. Can we get messages for them, please? What does Pisces needs to know? Can you please show me? Pisces, past life ni Pisces. Can you please show me informations, details related sa past life ni Pisces? Okay, so let's take a look at these energies here for you, Pisces. So, meron ka rito ang energy ng, by the way, if you're hearing some kind of noise in my background, please just bear with me. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding. It's out of my control, okay? So, we have here the star. We have here the Nine of Swords energy. Okay, we have here the Nine of Cups as well. Andito rin ang innocence or the Fool energy. We have here the Three of Swords for you guys. Okay, yeah, I do see right in here. Prince of Swords para sa bottom of the deck. Eight of Coins we have here. And then there's the Six of Swords. Oh, so just like Taurus, Libra, Aries, no? You are also not human being, no? Sa iyong past life. So just take only what resonates, ha? It looks like this is you, no? You are someone here who is like a matchmaker, no? Or this person here, no, na nakukuha ko mga energy, sweetheart, no, na posibleng past life mo, no? You are someone here, no, na posibleng like a cherubim, no? That's what I'm seeing in my mind right now, no? You are like Cupid, no? Matchmaking right here, no? Yung mga tao, no, when it comes to love. So this is something here, no, na role mo way back then sa yung past lives, no? You are someone here, no, na parang, yeah, just like Cupids, no? You are someone here, no, na pinagko-compatible or 'pag compatible yung dalawang tao, pinagsasama mo ito, no? So, I do see na ito ay something here, no, na hindi basta-basta lang, no? Kundi ito ay talaga, no, na ina-assess mo, talagang pinag-iisipan mo, talagang you are making sure that two people right in here, no, ay talagang match for each other, no, compatible for each other bago mo sila pagsamahin, no? So you are someone here who acts like a Cupid. Wow! So nakikita natin dito, no, Pisces, no, that you are someone here na tinutupad yung mga wishes ng mga tao when it comes to love. We've got the star, and then there's this Nine of Cups energy. So definitely, you are someone here na tinutupad mo rito yung mga kahilingan nila, no? Yeah, okay, when it comes to their love lives, no? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of cups right in here, which are indications of love life area, no? So, maaaring isa ka sa mga cupids or mga cupido, okay? At ito ang iyong role, no? Malaki ang iyo rito, no, na parte, 'no, or role 'no, sa pagsisimula with the innocence right in here 'no, ng mga relationships 'no. At lahat ng mga relationships na pinagma-match mo or pinagko-compatible mo dito Pisces 'no, ay talaga naman 'no, nakitang-kita ko 'no, na nagtatagumpay. Talagang success yung nakikita natin dito sa energies ng mga tao rito 'no, na pinagsasama mo. However, when it comes to your love life, especially now, no? Kahit na yung ibang tao nagiging happy dahil pinagma-match mo sila, no? Ngayon mga babes, no? Meron ka pa ring tinataglay na ganun sa'yo, no? Na sarili. I do pick up na yung mga energies ngayon na magaling kayo ditong maging bridge sa mga tao. Like, let's say, yung isa mong friend may gusto dun sa kakilala mo, no? So, parang tinutulungan mo sila, no? Na magkapalagayan ng loob, magkakilala, or ma-fall sa isa't isa, no? However, with the Nine of Swords energy and Three of Swords, no, hindi mo mahanap ang iyong ka-match pa dito. So, more likely nakikita natin dito, no, na posibleng kayo ito na single ngayon, Pisces, and you're still searching and looking for your perfect match, no? Others of you, may kakonek naman kayo, but maybe you're not really sure kung siya na ba talaga yung makakatuluyan mo forever or whatsoever. I'm seeing doubts right in here. I'm seeing feeling worried right here. So definitely, mga babes, no, yung energy ninyo is you can help other people to find love, but you yourself cannot do it on your own. Oh, virtual hug Pisces. Okay, pero lumalabas rito mga mahal, no? That with the moon right in here, you probably do not see this coming. You are not a Cupid now, sweetheart, but you are in a human form in this 3D, in this lifetime, no? Period that you are in right now. So I do see na may lumalabas dito with the moon right in here. You will eventually meet someone here no related sa iyo ditong profession, career, job, or business. Kung meron kang business, even part-times right in here, no? Someone is definitely coming. Prince of Swords energy, and this is your perfect match. Look at the sword. The sword, no, is bigger than you. So definitely, no, there's a truth right in here, and this is the truth that the justice is holding, no, the sword, and the classic tarot, the justice is holding the sword. So meaning to say, no, this person with the justice energy, no, na binabanggit ko, this is the one that will marry you. This is the one that will be your forever, the one that will give you unconditional love. Look at those, no, mga birds rito, no, ang daming mga birds, no, and ito ay mga padala, no, ni universe dito, no. Ito yung mga angels, ito yung mga guides, ito yung mga kapwa cupids mo na dinadala itong tao na 'to. Look at the castle there, no. This is a castle here. See? So whoever this energy is, this is the prince, this is the princess, this is the king, this is the queen that you're waiting for, searching for when it comes to love. Your perfect match is here. Nagkaroon lamang ng delay dito, no? Pero eto na siya. I do see that love will still find you, and I do see that this person here will be your perfect match. Yes, you have someone here, no, na magiging mo ritong katuwang. I do see that this person here is someone who will be your new beginning with the innocence right in here and will be the katuparan here of your dreams, because I do believe that Pisces, no, you also want someone to love you. Ayaw mo na basta lang maging matchmaker sa mga friends mo, sa mga kakilala mo dito. You also want to experience love yourself. Okay, and I do see na may experience mo na ito. You've been through a lot when it comes to love, Three of Swords energy, but after all of these heartbreaks, of all my Three of Swords na tarot, this is what I love about this deck. Look at that. This is hope, no? Seeing light, no? Despite of all the past experiences na hindi magaganda, no? This is hope, no? And this is also that kind of pag-asa, no? Na meron pa palang person for me. So, I do pick up Pisces that whoever I'm talking to right now, magugulat ka na lang because this person here will appear, magpa-pop out na lang bigla sa life mo dito, no? Yes, meron talagang nagkaroon ng delay dito because you are not human being pala, no, in your past lives right in here, okay? So, I do see, no, na itong person na 'to 'no, ay talaga naman na hinanap pa 'no, ng mga, cupids 'no, or puwedeng ito pa rin yung mga kasamahan mo way back before na mga kapwa mo cupids 'no, nadadala rito sa tao na 'to 'no, na nakatakda here for you guys. This is your perfect match. You have the same qualities, commonalities. This person here is someone 'no, na magsu-support sa'yo rito, especially when it comes to your dreams. I do see clouds right in here. I do see this person will support your dreams. Moon energy right in here and the Prince of Swords. I do see that this person here is your knight in shining armor as well, who will save you no from being lonely just because you do not have love in your life no. And this person here, no, dumating na sa life ng iba sa inyo, no, but you are afraid because you're questioning if kung sino man yung kasama ninyo ngayon, kung kasama niyo na ito sa buhay ninyo. Maybe you're hesitating, you are in doubt, no, because you are fearing na baka hindi pa yan yung for you guys. But definitely the universe, merong sagot dito for you. So I do see that the universe is saying yes na yan na yun. Okay, the clouds will definitely mahahawi right in here, no? And love already natagpuan na kayo. Yeah, I do see nakasama mo na siya ngayon. Look at that. You are together already to some of you. And your others, magiging together na kayo rito. This person here is coming. Prince of Swords energy. Okay, this is a fast energy. So, I do see that this person here, no, nagkaroon man ng delay, pero heto na siya. Okay, I do see that you need to prepare because there's a big change here in your love life. And lahat ng mga natulungan mo rito, no, na napag-match at naging successful ang relationship nila, no, na nung past lives mo bilang Cupid ka nun, okay? Sila yung nakatulong sa'yo ngayon, no? These people here, sila yung nakatulong rito para matagpuan mo yung perfect match mo. So definitely answered prayer right in here for you, Pisces. Wow, so wow, I do see that because of your role before, the people you've helped in love also help you find love. So yeah, I'm seeing initials right in here. We have M, N, and last but not the least, I. So yeah, these are all the messages, Pisces. Thank you again, I'm Yuriana on me. Sarang Heya Love in Light. Annyeong.